On the Chief model, we have a center gauge cluster, a fuel gauge indicator, your power switch, a left-hand toggle switch, and a right-hand toggle switch. On the Chief Classic and Chief Vintage models, the right-hand toggle switch is inoperable, does not function. So on the center gauge cluster, you can see you have your miles per hour or your kilometer per hour on the same scale, depending upon what mode you're in. Your indicator for that is mile per hour here or kilometer per hour here. You have two cruise indicators indicating if your cruise control system is on, and then a second one indicating your cruise control is set. You have a neutral indicator, a high beam indicator, your left or right turn signal indicator, an ABS light. The ABS light will always be on until the vehicle reaches 6 miles per hour. Your check engine light, and then again your kilometers per hour indicator. Using the left-hand toggle switch, we can scroll through the information on the LCD screen. Right now you can see N indicating you're in neutral. As you move up through the gears, this will change, displaying your gear information. Miles per gallon or your fuel economy, press the toggle switch. I can see my fuel range, I'm low fuel. My odometer at 2 miles, trip 1, trip 2, RPM, my ambient temperature, my battery voltage, and then back to my instantaneous fuel economy. If I scroll through to one of the trip meters, I can see 2.5 miles. If I press and hold the toggle switch, I can reset that trip back to 0 and do that again for the second trip. To set the clock, I'll use my left-hand toggle switch to move through until I find the odometer screen. Here. At that point, I can press and hold our left-hand toggle switch, and it'll light up my hours unit. I can press the toggle switch, the left-hand toggle switch, and scroll through to find the hour I need. Press and hold will move to the next digit. Again, I can select my left hand to move through, press and hold again to move to minutes, and then press and hold to set the time and exit.